So hello, I'm Eric, and today I'm going to change a little bit the Speedpaint video format because sadly the video file got corrupted. Shit happens. Anyway, what I'm going to do is show you every layer in drawing order and try to explain what I did there. But enough talk, let's begin. This is the base layer, the basic layer, and this is the sky, the background. Very rough brush strokes. It gives the drawing a painterly aesthetic that I like very much. Okay, so this is the front layer, or one of the front layers, very dark with some trees. I don't actually draw those trees. I mean, I have a brush that puts them where I want, and that's it. You might think it's cheating, but I see it as a shortcut. People expect concept artists to draw a lot of drawings in a short amount of time, so there's a lot of brushes that work that way. Okay, here are more trees that go on a superior layer. Separating the trees between layers allows me to put fog between those layers and give a sense of depth. And today's topic is rising mist, so it's a win-win situation. This layer has some more vegetation. Anyway, okay, in this layer I roughly draw these black gate kinda structures, like a wall or a fortress or something. And here's the door, a big door, dark door. Maybe I've been inspired from the Argonath from Lord of the Rings, and maybe Evenhawk from Guild Wars. Well, anyway, it's time to add the fog. That is the main theme of the Spitpaint, really. I like drawing fog, it gives the drawing more depth. It's fun and easy. Anyway, a landscape concept art isn't a landscape concept art if it doesn't have some birds. Scale birds. Here we go. This is also a brush. In fact, I have like 6 brushes or more just for birds. Birds for scale. Oldest trick in the book. Okay, so I also added these leaves in the wind. A bit unrealistic really, because if there's fog, it shouldn't really be much wind. But anyway, it's fantasy, it's art. Everything's permitted. Well, not really, but 30 minutes per Speedpaint doesn't give you that much time to think. I also draw this little man. I like putting some kind of characters or something in my landscapes. They are useful for scale and it gives more mystery to the drawing. They are useful for scale and it gives more mystery to the art. And finally, here's some color. Personally, I don't really like how it ended. It's a bit... it has a Instagram filter feel that I don't really buy. But anyway, 30 minutes, clock's ticking. Okay, so this is it. Sorry for the change of format, I really hate that the video got corrupted, it sucks, but well, anyway, hope you like it, and I'll see you on the next Speedpaint.